Appreciating the performance of a party candidate in the Lok Sabha bypoll in Azamgarh, BSP President Mayawati on Monday asked party workers to keep the momentum and prevent Muslims from being misled in the 2024 general election. The determination and courage with which all the BSP workers, office bearers and party candidate Shah Alam alias Guddu Jamali have fought the Azamgarh Lok Sabha bypoll need to be maintained till 2024 Lok Sabha general elections as part of the resolve while maintaining election readiness, Mayawati said in a tweet in Hindi. In another tweet she said, "Not only Azamgarh but BSP's struggle and efforts have to be continued in the entire UP to convert the groundwork into votes. In this sequence, it is also important to protect a particular community from being misled in the upcoming elections," she said in an apparent reference to Muslim voters.